Today I'm going to share how to earn $100 a day using Google Alerts and a simple hack. Now look, this is really simple to do, it's really easy, you don't need a blog, you don't need a website, you don't even need any experience or skills to get started with this, and it's absolutely free. And in this video I'm just going to walk you through the entire process, so let's jump into this. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School. So very quickly, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. If you are looking for really simple and really easy ways to make money online, then go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then I'll always send you a notification whenever I've uploaded a new video. And for some free resources to make money online, go over here to my blog. There's a link down below for you. I've got a members area, and in this members area you can see on here we've got lots of free resources. We've got some eBay ebooks in here, so we've got like a guide to making easy money on eBay. We've got an eBay Cash Insider, got some Amazon ebooks on here. This is a really great book, this Amazon Payday Secrets. We've got some dropshipping courses on here, then got some internet marketing courses, so how to write headlines. We've got lots and lots of stuff in here, and really simple. If you want any of the stuff on here, you simply click on this and it will start downloading for you. It's all absolutely free, so go ahead and check that out if you want some free resources to make money. So also, one last thing, at the end of the video I'm going to be doing a course giveaway, so if you want any of my courses, whether that is the Make Money Online course, whether that is how to generate more traffic, or my YouTube course, then stay tuned to the end and I'll show you exactly how you can go ahead and get that. So today I'm going to walk you through this really simple method. So to do this we're going to use a few different sites, and I'll drop all of the links below for you, so don't worry if we're going too quick over this. So to get started with this process, we're going to use this site here called ClickBank. Now if you're new on this channel and you've not known about ClickBank before, it's really simple, it's absolutely free to go ahead and get started with. So you go ahead, you create an account, and you want to go here to the marketplace. Then on the left hand side, scroll down here, you've got all of these different categories. Now what you can do is you can simply click on any category and it will open up all of the products on this right hand side here for you. If you wanted to go and look at subcategories, you click the drop down box and you can see you can go into all of these categories here. But basically with this method we're going to be looking at this affiliate marketing. Now all I've done here is I've clicked on health and fitness and it's brought up all of these products over here for us. And then again what you can do here is at the top here you can sort the results by all of these different things here. I've clicked on gravity, and what this does is it's going to show you the top products which have sold the most within the last 24 hours. So by filtering by gravity you can see this item here, this red tea detox. It's sold over 222 copies in the last 24 hours. This one here, it's sold over 200 copies, and you can just scroll through and you can see all of these. Now on the right hand side here you have got the average sale. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on ClickBank, we're going to find products that we're going to promote, and then I'm going to show you exactly how to do this using Google Alerts and some really simple methods. So you can see here, this is how much you would expect to earn from an average sale of this product. Now you can also see below here they've also got a rebill total, and I really like promoting items which have got a rebill total because it basically means you're going to be earning a passive income, because every single month people who go ahead and buy this product, they're going to be getting a rebill. So that is a really great way to go ahead and earn additional income from promoting a product at one time. So you're basically going to scroll through and you're going to find an item that you want to promote. And again, if you want to go ahead and have a look at any of these products, you simply click on here and then it opens up in a new tab. You can see it at the top here, it's just opened up in a new tab, and it will show you the sales page. Now what you need to remember on here is these sales pages here, these have been spent, they've had lots of money spent on them, they've been trialed, they've been tested, and they're proven to convert. So when you're sending people when you're sending people over to these landing pages here, these are proven and trialed and tested to go ahead and convert for you. So this sales page here, you can see exactly what it's all about here. They've got a video here, they've got the add to cart button here, and again you can go ahead and you can have a scroll through this and see exactly what you're going to be promoting and what you're sending people to. So this here is the sales page where you would be directing traffic to, and then people go ahead and buy this, and then you earn a commission for doing that. But let me just come off the sales page. So let's go through this. So if you wanted to promote this product here, you'd simply click on promote. And then what happens is this box here pops up, and then you're going to be given what's called a link or a tracking link. Now I'll show you a really simple way to go ahead and make this look a little bit better. But once you've got this tracking link here, so you see here you've got your account nickname, so this would be my link. so it tracks it back to me. So I'm going to click on here, generate hop link. Now you can go ahead and mess around with other tracking IDs. That's for more advanced stuff, but we'll talk about that another day. This is just really simple, basic stuff. So this here is the link that you get. So basically, this link here, anybody goes ahead and clicks on this link, goes through and buys a product, so you will earn a commission. But you can see it's quite a long, ugly link. So we're going to use a link shortener for this. Now there's many available. You've got Google link shortener, you've got Bitly. I'm just going to go ahead over to this site here. So again, I'll drop a link below. This is Bitly. It's absolutely free to go ahead and create an account. So once you've created an account, up here where it says create, I'm going to click on here. And then what's going to happen is you're going to paste that long URL which we've just gotten from ClickBank. So paste that into there. So that was our ugly long link, and then what's going to happen here is it's just going to shorten that link for us. So you can see it's now gone to this here. So this is our new link. I mean, you can also customize this if you want. So you can just change this here. You could change this to, you could attempt to change it if it's available. Red tea detox 1. Let's just try that. See if that's available. If it is available, then it will come up. If not, it will say that this bit link has already been taken. But basically, you can play around with this. But let me just go ahead and copy this here. So I'm just going to copy this. So that there is our link that you would go ahead and share. Now let me click on close. So once you've got your link, so once you've found your product on here and you've clicked on promote and you've got your link, you go over to Bitly, you shorten the link. The next thing is we're going to go ahead and look at where we can share that link for you to go ahead and earn sales. Now, there's a couple of ways that you can do this. So the first little tip I'm going to share with you is this. So you're going to go over to Google and you're going to type in weight loss and then the plus symbol. Now, look, this will work. It'll work in any niche or any topic that you're doing. Whatever you're going ahead, any of these categories on here that you're looking to do, whether you're looking at the weight loss stuff, whether it was make money online, whether it was woodworking, whatever, it will work in any of these. So you go over to Google and you type in the niche or the topic here and then the plus sign, and then you can see here Google's going to bring this up here. You want to be looking for this weight loss plus blogs. So you'd click on there. And then what's going to happen is it's going to show you all of the blogs which are related to weight loss, and you can scroll down here. Now I found this one earlier when I was looking this here, 35 of the most inspirational blogs. So you click on that, and then all of a sudden you've now got 35 blogs on here, all related to weight loss and food. So what we're going to do is you can scroll through here, and you can go over to every single one of these blogs here. So you simply just click on these and it'll take you over. But this article here, it's only including 35 different blogs. There's hundreds and hundreds of blogs related to weight loss and many more. So I'm going to click on this one here, this Jen Meller, and then it'll take you over to her blog. So this is over on Jen's blog here, and basically all I've done here is I've come into the blog and I've gone into the weight loss recipes. Now this here is about smoky baked beans. So all you do is you're going to go ahead, you're going to read the article, and then you're going to scroll down to the bottom, and then they have a comment section here at the bottom. So you see here they've got a comment section. Now what I am going to say to you is, do not just drop that link in and make it really, really spammy. You want to go ahead and make a thoughtful comment on this blog here. And I always try and relate to the person. So I always find their name. So like this article, this blog here is run by Jen. So I've gone ahead and this is exactly what I would put on here. So I've put, hello Jen, I really like this recipe and how easy it is to make. Have you heard of the red tea detox plan for weight loss? I have seen people getting great results with this and wondered what your thoughts are. And then I've put the link here. So I'm going to just paste our link in there. So that is our Bitly link. So let me just get rid of that. And then you go ahead and you put your name, your email. You don't have to put your website, and then you'd confirm here and click on post comment. Now you see here, this doesn't look spammy because I'm not just going in and saying I've had great results with this and dropping this in there. I'm reading the article, I'm leaving a comment which is personal to the blog owner, I'm giving feedback on the actual article I've read, and then I'm asking for someone's opinion. And what you find is when you're asking people for their opinions on things, they like to go ahead and comment and give their opinions back to you. So I've done this in the past, and this is a really simple way to go ahead and earn affiliate commissions. Now look, not every single blog that you're going to comment on, they're going to go and approve your comment, because once you comment on here and click on post comment, it won't automatically display on the page. The blog owner will get a notification and then they can approve it or basically put it in the recycle bin. So what you want to do is you just want to go ahead and spend a little bit of time going through your comment and reading the article, and then you put in your comment in here, and then you put in your link in here. So this isn't spammy at all. I'm asking this person for their thoughts and opinions on here. But what happens is, other people who are reading this blog, it's like similar to YouTube, they go down to the comment section and have a look. So they'll come down here, they'll see this, and then they click on there. And then if anyone clicks on there and goes through and buys the products, then you earn a commission. Now the great thing about this is a target audience, because this all people coming over to this blog here, these are all interested in weight loss products. So by having this product here in front of people who are actively looking out and searching for weight loss recipes, weight loss products, you're putting yourself in a great position to go ahead and earn a commission. Now, let me go over here. Now let me just show you how you can go ahead and automate this process basically. So this is Google Alerts, and it's absolutely free. So what you can do is you can create an alert. So I've just come in here, and again I've put in weight loss blog. So this is the same as what we've typed in here. So on Google it was weight loss plus. Over here on Google Alerts I've just put in weight loss blogs, and then basically you've got this. In fact, let me close this. So you type in weight loss blogs, and then you click this arrow here, so where it says show options, this comes down. Now you can get alerts from Google. You can get it every single day, so you can see here, you can get it once a day, you can have it once a week, or as it happens. So this will just purely depend on how much time and effort you're going to put into this. But to start with, I'd recommend at least once a day, and then what will happen is Google will send you an email every time any weight loss blogs have updated a new post. So click on that once a day. Sources, this one here where it says automatic, you want to drop this down to blogs. Click on blogs, so that's that bit done. Language, I mean, I would leave it as English, but if you want to do it to your country, you absolutely can do. You can go through these, and then once you've done that, you click on create an alert, and then you can see weight loss blog. So what happens is every time a new article has been published on a weight loss blogs, you will get an alert. Then you can go simply over to that article, you can read it, you can leave a comment, and then put a link over to the product that you're promoting. This is a really simple way to do this. It's a proven way to do this. Lots and lots of people have been doing this in many different niches and topics. But what I really like is you don't need any skills, you don't need any experience, and it's absolutely free to go ahead and do this method. So that's today's video. I hope you found that useful. Now at the beginning I did say I was going to be doing a giveaway for one of my courses. So like I say, I've got courses on YouTube, I've got courses on making money online, affiliate marketing, blog traffic, lots and lots. If you want to go ahead and win one of those courses, it's really simple. Just go ahead, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Absolutely anything. Comment what you found useful about this video. If you didn't find it useful, if you're going to actually go ahead and try this, or if you know of a simpler method to make money with Google Alerts. And then what will happen is tomorrow I'll go ahead and we'll just do a random generator. We will pick a winner, and then you can go ahead and get access to any one of my courses. So that is today's video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, leave them below. But good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.